I love floating. No work, just fun.
Puffy, it's time to rain.
GASP, rain? Ugh! No! I'll shrink into nothing.
Peep, peep, we need water. My plants are so thirsty.
No rain for me. I like being B.I.G. and fluffy. Boing. Boing.
Wait, where am I going? It's so quiet. I miss everyone. Maybe I can help her.
Okay, just a little drip. Drip. That's better.
Yay, why? Rain! Chirp, 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 chirp! I feel amazing. Helping feels so good.